Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to add, edit, and delete a shipping method. If you sell products from your store to customers, you'll need to add a shipping method before you can invoice. Okay, let's go through how to do that. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the upper right-hand corner and click the gear icon, which is our company preferences. From here, a left-hand sidebar will pop up. Under the company options, we're going to want to navigate to shipping methods. Once we click our shipping methods option, you'll see the screen where we can add, edit, or delete our shipping method. In ZarMoney, we'll already have a few standard shipping methods to choose from. But to add a new one, simply click in the shipping method field and type the name of your shipping method. Then to save, click Add New in the right-hand corner. Now, if I wanted the US mail option to read USPS instead, I can click the pencil icon next to the shipping method to edit. Then on the right-hand side, I can click Save. If I decide I no longer want to use FedEx as a shipping method, I can simply edit the shipping method, and on the right-hand side, there'll be a column that says Inactive. We're going to want to click that box and then click Save. We're going to want to do this when we have used that shipping method in the past, so it's related to some transactions, but we don't want to use it anymore in the future. If you have never used a shipping method and you don't want to use it at all, you can simply click the trash icon next to the shipping method to delete. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.